Hi everyone. It's Meaningful Monday for me today. So let me just let you know that everything I say to you right now, I'm saying with so much meaning in it. Um, I know the stuff I'm bringing to you guys has been really shocking and not easy for consumption, but it's stuff that we need to talk about, and we need to break this taboo that's happening when it comes to speaking about child sexual abuse and child molestation. So again, we have to do the work that's needed to be done to help prevent child sexual abuse and child molestation. And we have to do it as a community. We have to stand together as that village that we talk about that raises a child. So I am continuing on. Yesterday, I gave everyone information on where you can reach out for help. Today, I'm going back. Today is the sixth day, and I am going back to the tips of prevention and the steps of prevention, and giving you tips on those steps. We talked about learning the facts of child sexual abuse. We talked about minimizing the opportunity, talking about it, recognizing the signs, reacting responsibly. So today I'm going to give you tips on talking about it. It's not an easy topic to talk about with your children. It's probably easier for some of us to talk about it with friends, adults, but the truth about it is we need to speak to both children and adults and make this conversation a common conversation so that we can all feel a little more relaxed talking about it. So here we are on day 6 with question of 6th day. Do you talk about child sexual abuse and molestation with friends, family, and the children around you? Of course, the topic is going to be different. The way that you're having the conversation with children is going to be different from the way that you have the conversation with adults. But the goal is to make everyone aware, not just the adults, but the children. So talking about it, because talking about it breaks barriers. Everyone around you is aware, and they're aware that you're aware, which means the likelihoods of you paying attention because you're aware. Your antennas are going to be up now because you're aware. It means the kids know what to look for, and you're breaking the stigma, that taboo thing of hiding child sexual abuse, hiding molestation. In my first video, I talked about teaching children body safety from a young age. I talked about teaching them not just eyes, ears, and nose, but their genital areas, their breasts, their nipples, their bottom. Teaching them all of that is a big deterrence to an abuser. I'm not saying it's going to work all the time, but it is a deterrence. And we as a community need to keep in mind that if we don't teach them, then they're going to learn another way. So we want to teach them the right way. We want to teach them in a way that encourages them to recognize the uncomfortable feelings they get when someone's making them not feel, or when someone's making them feel unsafe, or when someone's doing something that they shouldn't be doing. There are a lot of places, websites that you could go on to learn more about this. And one of the websites that I find very informative, I'm going to give you 3 of them. One is called Child Mind Institute. So you go on to childmind.org. The other is Child Molestation and Prevention Institute. And another one called Darkness to Light. Their website address is d2l.org. Go out, get the information, but talk about it, talk about it, talk about it. Bring awareness to child sexual abuse and child molestation. Thanks, and I'll see you tomorrow.